Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making stuffed bell peppers. The ingredients you will need is 2 pounds of minced mutton, 5 bell peppers, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of green chili, 1 cup of yogurt, 2 tomatoes grinded, 1 large chopped onion, half a teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili, 2 tablespoons coriander, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of allspice powder, 2 tablespoons of chaat masala. To a pan, I'm adding 1 cup of oil and I'm going to add our onion. We're going to save about 2 tablespoons of onions for later use. I'm also adding 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. After you saute the onions for a minute or two, we're going to add our ginger garlic paste. Now I'm adding my spices. I'm only adding turmeric, red chili, coriander, and salt. We're going to add these spices towards the end. Mix everything well. Now I'm adding my tomato paste and we're going to cover with the lid for 1 or 2 minutes. Once our tomatoes are soft, we're going to add the minced mutton. After mixing everything well, we're going to cover with the lid and let cook for 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, we're going to add 2 cups of water and let the meat cook. After the water evaporated, we're going to add our yogurt and mix well. Now we're going to add our remaining spices. After mixing well, we're going to add our green chilies. Now we're going to divide the mixture into half and we're going to add the leftover onions to half of the mixture. Now your meat is ready. Now we're going to move on to the bell peppers. I'm going to cut off the top and remove all of the seeds from the inside. Once we have all the bell peppers carved out, we're going to start assembling. We're going to grab one bell pepper and we're going to add our meat mixture inside. I'm placing a couple of toothpicks to make sure the top is in place. Now with the remaining meat mixture, we're going to add half a cup of water. Now I'm going to add the bell peppers to the pan and let them cook on low heat for about 5 minutes or until the peppers are soft. After about 5 minutes, you can see the bell peppers have softened. Now I'm going to take a coal and heat it on the stove for about a minute. We're going to place an aluminum foil in our pan, add the coal and add 1 teaspoon of oil over it, and then quickly cover with the lid. This will give us a really good barbecue flavor. After about a minute, we're going to remove the coal and you can see the bell peppers are all ready. You can serve these bell peppers with rice or naan and they're very delicious. If you enjoyed my recipe, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.